Hello, everyone who is watching this right now. Hope you can hear me okay, see the screen okay. Uh, let's get started. I'm proud and lucky at the same time to be one of the early adopters of crypto. Well, relatively, not back in 2009, 10, but 2016 when it was still relatively early. Not mass adoption hasn't started yet. My intro to the world started with a curiosity of how Ethereum network works. I'm a firm believer in learning by doing, and that led to building a mining rig of my own. And as any other techie, went on eBay, bought all the spare parts required, the uh, then famous AMD Radeon graphics cards, cooling fans, a small CPU, everything required to build a mining rig. Within a week, I had a mining rig built and started running it in the comfort of my home. And that journey pretty much lasted for a month. The reason, a huge electricity bill, and that's when I realized like the first downside of the current setup of blockchain. uh, Moving on, that's when the mining journey stopped. But still, I was closely following what other crypto developments have been happening, and still involved in the crypto space to a decent extent. And if you hear about a general bear case of the issues with today's blockchain, uh, two things for sure comes up. One is the usage of electricity, especially in the today's world of climate change, climate control, and we want to reduce the carbon footprint. And having a huge carbon footprint based blockchain like Bitcoin and Ethereum is not going to be good for the future generations. So either they have to change their roadmap to solve this, and the the next one most likely would be the size of the blockchain, which you're currently seeing on the screen right now. The one I have open is Bitcoin here, and currently it's Jan 2021, and we are talking about 320 GB of ledger size. And if I go on Ethereum, we are closing to 200 GB of ledger size. Makes it impossible to for everyone to run a node. And I've been on the search of some projects that are trying to solve this core issue, and came across this one, MINA Protocol, backed by some very good brains in the crypto industry and elsewhere. And their core promise is the protocol is designed to deliver on the original promise of blockchain, which is true decentralization, scale, and security. And one thing that stands out is, uh, well, it's built on ZK Snarks. For those who don't know ZK Snarks, it's that's a really good read if you have time. It stands for zero knowledge, succinct, non-interactive argument of knowledge, and that's the mathematics behind how this blockchain works. But the key one is its size, which is 22 kb, and their goal is to have like smartphones that can eventually run as blockchain nodes. That if they deliver the promise, I think this is going to be the best project out there in the blockchain world. And hence this vlog, and hope you enjoyed. Good luck, and keep this in your radar.